Nurses aren't just in a hospital, nurses are in your community. We want you to know that regardless of what we have going on or what we're doing, that we are always here to help as much as we can. We're not superheroes, but we come pretty close.
For registered nursing, there's so many different pathways to get in. We have a traditional option. In the traditional option, those students don't have to have any previous healthcare background. They just have to take the prerequisite courses, and then it's a 2-year program once they get in. Then we have an LVN transition option, and those students have a LVN license, and then they take prerequisite courses, and then it's an accelerated pathway where after about 1 year of nursing classes, they can sit for their licensure exam. And then we have a new paramedics RN option. They can, with the prerequisites, finish in about a year as well.
One thing that I truly love about the professors here, that I'm able to say that they want their students to succeed and grow. They want you to know that whatever you need, you come to me. Even if you're scared to come to me, you know what, I'll come to you. It's amazing, close-knit family, and so I'm so grateful for that and all of the things that they've taught me and the person they've helped me to become over these few years.